welcome to a Cthulhu Obili. It's really cool. Yeah, let's open it. Okay, I just opened it. Look. Oh, are you kidding me? Somebody already lost that. Look, look. Somebody already turned it on. Trying to turn it on. Come on, somebody. Riku Cthulhu. I turn it on. I turn it on. Look. BSB. Let me see it. Be good. Be good. Guys, if you try now, my torch is really cool. We got this. I don't know about that. We need to talk about Microsoft. Yeah. I customized my cow. I mean my Cthulhu. Look like purple. Probably look really cool. Cthulhu and dog. I don't know. It's dark blue. We put the white on the D-pad. We put the on the red on the horn. Look. This is my illegal Cthulhu. Yeah. Okay, guys. See you at the next time. Bye.